Today, you will finish your draft by writing the conclusion. I'm going to share with you a few different options that you can try in your paper. One way that an author concludes an informative piece of writing is by providing a reaction or feeling about the information. You can change these conclusions based on your own experience. I could do that with earthquakes by writing, "Thank goodness I've only experienced a very small aftershock, which was enough to make me nervous. I can only imagine the devastation that people around the world have experienced from what I've read and the photographs that I have seen. It's hard to believe that people around the globe face this horrendous experience once every second." Did you notice how I gave my reaction in the first sentence and also mentioned some facts? But I didn't tell everything over again. Another way to write a conclusion would be to write a question so that the readers keep thinking about the topic. For this conclusion, I could write, "Can you imagine what it would feel like to all of a sudden experience the earth shaking right under you? Well, people all around the world experience earthquakes every second and are left with destruction and loss of lives. The worst part is there's no warning and nothing anyone can do to prepare." A third way to conclude an informative piece is by describing a scene related to the topic. I could do that by writing, "Just think, you are sitting at your desk working on math problems when all of a sudden the ground begins to shake. Books fly off the shelves, windows begin to break, desks and students topple over. You have just experienced an earthquake, which is one thing that I hope I never have to experience." Those are just 3 different ways that you could conclude your paper. Today, as you are writing your conclusion, choose one of those ways to end your paper in an interesting way without just repeating the facts.